Lenovo Legion Y90 is one of the latest 2022 gaming smartphone product lines. The phone has been in my hands for more than 3 months, and in this video I want to share my emotions. Although they are young, these phones inherit a lot of technology from the company's famous gaming Legion laptop line. To be able to conquer gamers, Lenovo is ready to sell the best technology at the cheapest price to compete fairly with Nubia, ROG Phone or Black Shark. That's why you will see that despite having the same set of information in terms of configuration, the price of Legion Y90 is much cheaper than competitors. Appearance is considered the identity of gaming phones, not to mention the configuration. The appearance is the first thing for users to distinguish today's gaming companies. Reviewing Lenovo Legion Y90, it can be said that the appearance of the phone is outstanding and different from all the rest. It is rare for a smartphone to have a unique appearance like the way that Lenovo created the Legion gaming phone line, which is absolutely optimized for horizontal screen use. The right side of the phone has 2 shoulder buttons on the upper and lower sides, which can be set to 4 shoulder buttons. With the 3-block screen pressure sensitivity on both sides of the front, a new 6 button is built, which supports separate clicks, double clicks and screen pressure. The back of the Lenovo Legion Y90 is finished from glass. The 2 side edges are developed to be empty to make a handheld area. All components such as cameras, LED, cooling fans and Legion logos are placed in a central module. This unique arrangement makes gaming as comfortable as possible. You will not be touching the camera and phone components when holding it horizontally, but holding the device vertically also has a few inconveniences. In addition, Lenovo Y90 also has up to 2 dedicated USB-C charging ports. Legion Y90 in more detail about the back appearance. The middle module on the back is also the place to integrate the characteristic Y-shaped LED lights, accompanied by a cooling fan system with 29 blades, for high-speed 12,500 RPM to 15,000 RPM. Combined with the dual fans is a material cooling system with an area of 1600 square millimeter and a VC35 20 square millimeter liquid cooling pad, promising for better temperature control, especially for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip that is inherently popular and generates a lot of heat when operating at high intensity. The dual-fin dual fan can be called PC-level cooling this time because it has 32 PC-level cooling fins. The heat exchange area is increased by 1600 square millimeter. The maximum temperature difference at the air inlet is 25 degrees Celsius. In addition, it is worth mentioning that the fan of Lenovo Legion Y90 gaming phone supports a self-cleaning function. The area of the VC soaking plate is 3520 square millimeter, and the total passive equivalent heat dissipation area is 66,849 square millimeter. This time, the Lenovo Legion Y90 gaming phone also continued the previous generation's ATA central cooling structure, and a heat source generated in the middle of the phone will be quickly averaged through this large area VC. This hardware cooling system is matched with precise software adjustment technology through 14 sets of NTC temperature sensors evenly distributed on the front and back of the phone. The NTC temperature sensor can detect the temperature of SoC, camera, screen, handheld area and other components in different scenarios, and intelligently adjust the heat dissipation strategy by capturing the temperature of the whole phone. At the same time, the NTC temperature sensor can cooperate with the software algorithm to recalibrate the ambient temperature and adjust the power consumption and fan strategy at any time. The Lenovo Legion Y90 gaming phone uses an octa-curved 8G glass process with a side probe of 3.12mm, which is 13% thinner than the previous generation. The middle frame is made of high-strength aluminum alloy with built-in metal middle frame reinforcing ribs, which gives the body rigidity. It can be regarded as hearing the voice of users and has improved on the pain points of the previous generation. Super running air outlet appearance, ultra-low wind resistance, maximum efficient air exhaust. The air outlets arranged on one side of the middle frame are also more developed and refined. If you like a unique gaming phone that is best optimized for use, the Lenovo Legion Y90 is for you. Lenovo equips the Legion Y90 with a 6.92-inch screen, using an AMOLED E4 panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, 720Hz touch sampling frequency, Full HD Plus resolution, and a maximum brightness of 1300 nits. This screen is a flawless screen with a 16-megapixel selfie camera placed on the top bezel. While achieving high brush and high-quality touch, the color accuracy of this screen has also been improved. This time, the screen of the Legion Y90 has passed the HDR10 Plus screen display certification. The Legion Y90 adopts a new RAM and storage architecture. The RAM structure is LPDDR5 plus virtual memory. Virtual memory is to convert a part of storage into running memory, expand the RAM space capacity, improve the operating efficiency of extreme scenarios, and break through the upper limit of the mobile running memory capacity. The maximum running memory capacity is 18 gigs LPDDR5 and 4 gigs virtual memory. The storage structure is UFS 3.1 and SSD RAID disk array, and the maximum storage capacity is 640 gigs. Compared with the conventional UFS 3.1, the UFS 3.1 and SSD RAID disk array of the Legion Y90 gaming phone, improves sequential read by 40%, sequential write by 30%, random read by 11%, and random write by 50%. The Legion Y90 continues to be equipped with the industry's top dual X-axis linear motor solution. Compared with ordinary single X-axis linear motors, the steady-state vibration volume is increased by 65%, the transient vibration volume is increased by 120%, and the effective bandwidth is increased by 100%. Not only can it enhance the sense of presence in the game, but also in the daily use process of adjusting the volume and typing input. The delicate vibration also greatly enhances the tactile feeling. In terms of speakers, the Lenovo Legion Y90 gaming phone uses 0.8mm amplitude super linear dual speakers with dual positive output. The amplitude is increased by 20%. The equivalent sound cavity is 1.48 cc, and it also supports Dolby Atmos DAX 3.7 decoding, even for external speakers. The footsteps of the enemy can be heard clearly. The Lenovo Legion Y90 gaming phone is equipped with a 5600 mAh large capacity battery. Honor of Kings can be played continuously for 2 hours, and it only loses 20% of the power, which can be said to be quite durable. At the same time, with the 68-watt super flash charge, it only takes 40 minutes to fully charge the large 5600 mAh battery. Moreover, this time the Lenovo Legion Y90 still supports bypass charging. There's a Type-C interface on the side of the phone. After plugging in the charger, it can bypass the battery and directly supply power to other components, avoiding charging from the source. So in the video we have in turn reviewed the Lenovo Legion Y90 in terms of appearance, screen as well as phone configuration. As you can see, all the leading technology necessary for a gaming phone is built inside the Legion Y90. And yet, with its unique exterior appearance, the Y90 has scored a big plus for real players. Although the camera function is not the most important thing for gaming phones, this time the Lenovo Legion Y90 is still equipped with a rear 64-megapixel main camera, 13-megapixel 120° ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 16-megapixel front lens. This imaging system supports one-click broadcast, global video call enhancement, dual-camera video chat and other functions. This time, the Legion Y90 can be regarded as a comprehensive evolution, fully absorbing the feedback brought by the previous generation users, and being close to the players is the most important thing for gaming phones. Moreover, it has become one of the most anticipated things every year to look forward to the new technological progress of the Legion in the cooling system. I've had the phone in my hands for more than 3 months, and I can say that Lenovo's gaming phone impressed me a lot. So if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.